Ever wondered how the fascinating world of interactive narratives works? Or how artificial intelligence can weave a story that responds to your decisions? Well, the secret lies in a logical language called Tao. The first step in creating a choose-your-own-adventure or CYOA narrative in Tao language is to define the elements of the story. Imagine these elements as nodes in a branching path, each representing a different event or scenario in the story. Now, the choices that lead from one node to another, those are the edges. They're the decisions that the reader will make, shaping the narrative to their will. But how does one define these nodes and edges? That's where Tao language comes into play. With its decidable logic and expressive power, it allows creators to define character attributes and logical conditions that influence the story's branching paths. The protagonist's personality, the setting, the time of day, all these can be variables influencing the various narrative paths. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Tao language's executable specifications and knowledge representation and reasoning, or KRR, enable an AI agent to dynamically generate these story paths based on the user's choices. This ensures a personalized adventure that remains within the bounds of logical decisiveness. The interaction between the user and the AI agent is facilitated by interactive queries. As the user makes choices, these queries update the narrative in real time. It's like having a conversation with the story itself, with the AI agent acting as an interpreter between the user and the narrative. Finally, the story needs an ending, or rather, multiple endings. These conclusion nodes are designed based on the various paths the user might take. Each conclusion is logically consistent with the choices made, ensuring a satisfying conclusion to the adventure. To summarize, Tao language, with its decidable logic and expressive capabilities, enables the creation of dynamic, decision-based storytelling experiences. From defining story elements as nodes and choices as edges, to designing conclusion nodes for various endings, it allows an AI agent to guide the user through a unique story journey. So, the next time you find yourself engrossed in an interactive narrative, remember, there's a whole world of logic and decision-making running behind the scenes. And at the heart of it all is a language, Tao language, that brings it all to life.